I'm excited to share with you how something as simple as lemon water can have a profound impact on your health. It's amazing how often we overlook the simplest things that can make the biggest difference. Lemon water is a simple and refreshing beverage that has become a staple for many health enthusiasts. The practice involves squeezing the juice of a lemon into a glass of water, often served warm or cold, and sometimes with added ingredients like honey or mint. While it might seem like a straightforward drink, the health benefits attributed to lemon water have made it a popular choice among those looking to improve their overall well-being. Nutritional profile of lemons. Lemons are a powerhouse of nutrients, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Here is a breakdown of the nutritional components found in lemons. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant. Vitamin C is crucial for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. It's involved in many body functions, including collagen formation, iron absorption, the immune system, wound healing, and the maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. Potassium, essential for heart health. Potassium helps control blood pressure and supports muscle function. Vitamin B6, vital for brain health and the production of neurotransmitters. Citric acid, a natural preservative that also aids in the absorption of minerals. Fiber. Although not present in large quantities in lemon juice, the peel contains pectin, a type of fiber beneficial for digestion. Benefits of lemon water. Boosts hydration. Hydration is essential for overall health. Water is vital for bodily functions, including temperature regulation, joint lubrication, and the transportation of nutrients and waste. Adding lemon to water not only enhances the flavor, making it more appealing to drink, but it also encourages increased water intake. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining energy levels, cognitive function, and physical performance. Rich in vitamin C, lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient with antioxidant properties. Vitamin C helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, supports the immune system, and aids in the production of collagen, which is necessary for the health of skin, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. Regular consumption of vitamin C can also improve the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, which is particularly beneficial for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Enhances skin health. The antioxidants in lemon water, particularly vitamin C, can help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging, and damage from the sun. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. Drinking lemon water can help keep the skin hydrated and glowing, and its alkaline nature can help neutralize acidity and maintain a balanced pH level in the body, which is essential for healthy skin. Aids digestion. Lemon water can act as a digestive aid. The acidity of lemons stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which is necessary for breaking down food. Additionally, the citric acid found in lemons may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, creating a less favorable environment for stone formation. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can help kickstart the digestive system, promote regular bowel movements, and alleviate symptoms of indigestion such as bloating and heartburn. Supports weight loss. Lemon water can be a helpful addition to a weight loss regimen. It is low in calories and can act as a natural appetite suppressant. Drinking water before meals can promote a feeling of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. Furthermore, the pectin fiber in lemons can expand in the stomach, helping to curb hunger. Some studies suggest that the polyphenol antioxidants in lemons may also help reduce weight gain and improve insulin resistance. Improves kidney function. The citric acid in lemons can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, creating an environment less conducive to stone formation. Citric acid can also bind with existing small kidney stones, preventing them from becoming larger and causing pain. Regular consumption of lemon water can support kidney function by promoting hydration and helping to flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Balances pH levels. Although lemon juice is acidic when metabolized, it produces alkaline byproducts that can help neutralize acidity in the body. Maintaining a balanced pH level is essential for overall health, as excessive acidity can lead to various health issues, including inflammation, digestive problems, and weakened immune function. Drinking lemon water can help maintain an optimal pH balance, supporting overall health and well-being. Freshens breath. Lemon water can help combat bad breath. The citric acid in lemons stimulates saliva production, which helps keep the mouth moist and prevents the growth of bacteria that cause bad breath. Additionally, the fresh scent of lemons can help mask unpleasant odors. Drinking lemon water after meals or first thing in the morning can help keep your breath fresh and your mouth feeling clean. Boosts energy and mood. Lemon water can provide a natural energy boost. The combination of water and lemon helps hydrate the body, which is essential for maintaining energy levels. The refreshing taste and aroma of lemons can also help improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. Drinking lemon water in the morning can help kickstart your day with a burst of energy and positivity. Supports immune system. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in lemon water can help strengthen the immune system, protecting the body against infections and illnesses. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off pathogens. Regular consumption of lemon water can help reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu and support overall immune function. How to prepare lemon water. Preparing lemon water is simple and can be done in a few easy steps. Choose fresh lemons. Select fresh, organic lemons to avoid pesticides and ensure maximum nutrient content. Squeeze the juice. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a glass of water. You can use a citrus juicer to extract the juice more efficiently. Adjust the water temperature. Lemon water can be enjoyed warm, cold, or at room temperature, depending on your preference. Enhance the flavor. For added benefits and flavor, you can add ingredients such as honey, mint, or ginger. Serve and enjoy. Stir the mixture well and enjoy your refreshing lemon water. For optimal benefits, it's recommended to drink lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This can help kickstart your digestive system and hydrate your body after a night's sleep. Potential side effects. While lemon water offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. Tooth enamel erosion. The citric acid in lemons can erode tooth enamel over time. To minimize the risk, drink lemon water through a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. Heartburn. Some individuals may experience heartburn or acid reflux after consuming lemon water due to its acidic nature. If you have a history of heartburn, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding lemon water to your routine. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some people may be allergic to lemons. If you experience any allergic reactions such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, discontinue use and seek medical attention. So let's recap the amazing benefits of lemon water we've discussed today. Lemon water is a simple and refreshing beverage that offers a wide range of health benefits. From boosting hydration and enhancing skin health to aiding digestion and supporting the immune system, incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can contribute to a healthier you. While it's essential to be mindful of potential side effects, the advantages of lemon water far outweigh the risks for most people. So why not start your day with a glass of lemon water and experience the surprising benefits for yourself? Cheers to a healthier you. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.